Welcome to this in-depth review of MyKi, a password manager that claims to put privacy and user control first. Right off the bat, MyKi stands out because it doesn't store your passwords in the cloud. Instead, everything is kept locally on your device and synchronized between devices using a direct encrypted connection. That alone makes it very different from cloud-based managers like LastPass or 1Password. When you first launch the MyKi app, the setup process is clean and surprisingly fast. You're prompted to create a secure PIN, and then you can start adding passwords manually or importing from another manager. Importing works pretty smoothly, especially if you're coming from Chrome or Firefox, and there's an option to bulk upload a .csv file. One of the best things about MyKi is its user interface: sleek, intuitive, and very responsive. It's easy to organize entries with categories, tags, and even custom icons. Navigation feels modern, with quick search and autofill options accessible within just a few taps. The desktop experience complements the mobile app well, although it does rely heavily on the browser extension for full integration. Autofill features work well on both Android and iOS. It's fast, detects fields accurately, and supports biometrics for quick authentication. You can also securely share credentials with other users, without ever exposing the actual password. This is ideal for teams or families who need shared access to services, but want to keep things secure. Security-wise, MyKi is solid. It doesn't have a master password, access is tied directly to your phone, and authentication is local. This means there's no single point of failure if someone gains access to your email or cloud account. For added peace of mind, you can also back up your vault locally and restore it manually if you ever switch phones. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, let's talk about some of the limitations. While MyKi's offline first model is great for privacy, it can be a hurdle if you lose your phone and haven't backed up the vault. There's no cloud recovery, and support can take some time to respond. Also, while the mobile experience is polished, the desktop version feels a bit more like a companion than a full-fledged app. Another downside is that development for MyKi is slowed down. Updates are less frequent now, and it's unclear whether the team is actively improving or expanding features. That said, the app still performs well and does exactly what it promises: secure, private password management without cloud storage risks. If you value privacy and want a decentralized password manager, MyKi is definitely worth considering. But if you're looking for cross-platform cloud syncing and rapid development, you might want to look at other options too. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews like this.